Wait, business owners, you need to hear this. Are you trying to get your website to come up to that first page? Are you paying an SEO company to do that for you? And it's costing you, listen, they're not gonna like that I'm saying this, but it's just not that difficult. This is why I'm not selling you the service, I'm teaching you how to do it yourself. It's only gonna take literally about an hour of your time for the initial setup and maybe 15 minutes a week, 10 minutes a week to maintain it. SEO is big business and they're making a killing. Us as business owners, and especially when you're just first starting to get out, you need to make sure you're spending that money wisely. So me, I'm in the floor cleaning business, but it really doesn't matter what business you're in because the SEO techniques are about the same. So I made a short, direct, no fluff course teaching you exactly what these SEO guys are doing for you for sometimes thousands a month, right? So if that's you and you want to learn how to take control of your website, go ahead and click the link and let's get started.